Top news headlines. After lockdown, COVID-19 case doubling rate from 3 to 6.2 days, says government. MSU pays homage to martyr students on 40th Realization Day 2020. JCCWB starts feeding street animals amid lockdown. And stranded Manipuris face hardship in different parts of the country. Hello and welcome to Times of Manipur News. I'm JESSIA OINAM giving you the news in details. India's doubling rate of COVID-19 positive cases has taken a dip and currently stands at 6.2 days instead of the earlier 3 days, the Union Health Ministry said today, according to a media report. Before lockdown, the doubling rate of COVID-19 cases was about 3 days, but according to data in the past 7 days, the doubling rate of cases now stands at 6.2 days. Doubling rate in 9 states and union territories are even lower than average doubling rate, Lav Agarwal, Joint Secretary, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, said at the Daily News briefing. The doubling rate is lower than the national level in 19 states and union territories. Kerala, Uttarakhand, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Chandigarh, Ladakh, Puducherry, Delhi, Bihar, Odisha, TN, Andhra Pradesh, UP, Punjab, Assam, Tripura all have low doubling rates of coronavirus cases, Agarwal added. After the nationwide lockdown of 21 days and the subsequent extension, the doubling rate has gone from 3 to 6.2 days at the national level, according to Health Ministry data. All Manipur Students Union MSU today observed the 40th Realization Day at Singjamai Pishum Chingamakha in Imphal. Rich floral tribute was paid to the photographs of the martyred students by following government lockdown guidelines. MSU President Peter Lystrom on the occasion urged the state government to collaborate with the TV channels in the state to telecast class-wise lessons since many students in the hills are not able to access to the online classes. He also urged upon the state government and bookstores to tie up with the union to start a study material home delivery system for the students during the lockdown. Peter also cautioned all concerned not to take due advantage of the national COVID-19 lockdown by bringing in illegal workers from outside to the state.
Ahoy ngasigi athoba ani na thoina pontha pigiba adugumlaba numit asida makhogi thawna adubo khoina ningsingjabo ina khoi MSU nasu Manipur da lairiba blood bank laiba adugumlaba hospital ahum RIMS Janims amadi Sija hospital da khoi MSU gi thawmi sing da cheliba ikhenga siju khoi dan tawjagani haibagi adugi program su yauri laiki mam da tawidaba sida khoi haiba MSU amadi myam mari lenaba concern authority amadi bookstore myam singa khusam narakanda haiba laik myam singa siju mahiro singi home delivery service amasu athubu matamda haudo kanda myam singda mahiro myam gi damakta tengbang nabai damakta MSU nasu asoba thodang lojagani aduna sigi hariba myam singsida mahiro myam lockdown na facility fangdaba yumda leiba myam singdasu asigumlaba mahiro emo ina like fangdabagi masigum masuju thodang punna longminasi.
Paying homage to union leaders, All Manipur Students Union MSU District Committee Jiribam also observed the 40th Realization Day today at its office premises. The union observed a 2-minute silence as a mark of respect to the departed souls. At the occasion, MSU urged people to follow the guidelines issued by the government and WHO to fight COVID-19 pandemic. Thawbal District Superintendent of Police Dr. S. Ibomcha flagged off a team of Joint Coordination Committee on Wildlife and Biodiversity JCCWB from his office today to feed animals taking over the streets. JCCWB, in association with the Manipur Forest Department and the public, started feeding monkeys at Mahabali, cows and horses in marketplaces during the lockdown. The lockdown has left these animals starving. Spokesperson of JCCWB, Romi Ningthaujam, said the committee will provide food to animals which have no one to feed them. JCCWB also urged the concerned authority to conduct a head count of all animals loitering in marketplaces and streets and arrange a facility for them. Due to the nationwide COVID-19 lockdown, thousands of Manipuris have remained stranded in various parts of the country. Meanwhile, Manipur Students Association Delhi Masad and Manipuris living outside the state have appealed to the State Chief Minister to help bring back all Manipuris to the state. Masad President Jinkaingan Basaikom said that Manipuris stuck in different parts of the country are facing hardship apart from frequent hate crimes. Volunteers of Thangwipan United Club Ima, Panthoibi Welfare Youth Center and FLIYO Club today seized a large quantity of betel leaves from a non-Manipuri at Thangwipan Hijamdiwan Laikai in Imphal. The betel leaves were brought in a Tata truck driven by one Ashok Kumar from Bihar. Ashok Kumar was trying to unload the betel leaves at the locality. The betel leaves were later burned and destroyed in front of media persons and general public. Thangwipan United Club President Pratap Lei Shangtem condemned carrying out such business in this tiring time.
Akan miyeng sanga kanda action lohong na wa aduga club ki site gi su akoi time United Club as flyo na koliba jaga ni flyo ga loina na sab saba maira pai bising ga loina na akoi na masigum se thokta ba akoi hona gani yumbu na so sab saba masigi keno se tohon biu aduga sigum ba karbar to bising se akoi thuna mayum da atopa da ship to gina ba akoi simsu no na pil to se.
Now it's time for a short break. Keep watching Times of Manipur News.
Khanghanjaba Lamjingba Hospital and Medical Research Institute Private Limited na hojik oiriba khudong chadba kaya sigi yenglaga miyam gi damak hospital asigi maternity ward pung kunmari hangduna miyam gi thogol tawjaragani adumakpu hospital asigi atopa department sing di service lepchugani hospital asida laktingai mamangda makhada pizariba contact number asida hanana appointment lobiu amadi patient ka miyoi amadagi hena loina biraktana ba khanghanjari Jariba Lamjingba Hospital and Medical Research Institute Private Limited, Rim Southgate, Kombirei Kaitel, contact number 8258967890.
Welcome back after the break. 2 militants were killed after they were surrounded and engaged in a gunfight by the security forces during an anti-militancy operation in South Kashmir, Sofian today. An official said that at least 2 militants were spotted and engaged in a firefight at Dairo, Kigam of South Kashmir, Sofian district today, as per a media report. The operation was underway, however the bodies are being retrieved from the encounter spot. It was a joint operation of the Jammu and Kashmir Police, the Army 44RR and the CRPF. The trapped militants belong to the Hizbul Mujahideen outfit. The severe storm that swept through Manipur on the evening of April 15 last had left many fishermen in and around Lautak Lake in distress coupled with hardship caused by the lockdown. A press release from Karang Island Development Organization, KIDO, maintained that every fisherman in the area had lost properties worth around Rs 20,000 to 50,000 during the storm. KIDO urged the Manipur government to give compensation to these fishermen for the loss. Under the instruction of Noble District Administration, 2 fair price shops have been opened at Moray Town today, priced at Rs 25 per kg. Every household in the town is allowed to buy 10 kg of rice from the shops. Residents throng the 2 shops, but they maintain social distancing norms. The Moray residents also appeal to the government to provide adequate ration to them. Amid the total lockdown, Technopole District Deputy Commissioner M. Rajkumar, along with Technopole Superintendent of Police and other high-ranking police officials, distributed essential edible items to residents in various parts of the district at the doorstep. The team also distributed rice to non-locals residing in Moray. Manipur PDA Chairman and MLA of Thanga constituency, Tongbram Robindro, today announced that under the sponsorship of the centre, a new silkworm rearing project is coming up at Moirang Kunau under Thanga constituency. The MLA told TOMTV that under this project, a Rs 77,000 package will be given to 30 selected families for the first installment and Rs 45,000 each to 50 selected families for the second phase.
Labor polling home sida polling ABC haibum lay laser polling sida praja sing sena khwaidagi waba adi subam namum leitaba labor praja sing yamana laiba praja ta oiba masagi lok sing kya lejadaba around 20 acres muk age lam lok silai haiba 20 acres mu labor lamsi khoi mangu praja sai sa khoina family kuntra ga khangka le khoi gi agriculture project ke makhada khangal kanda makhoi kuntra sida ai labor lo acre kunmuksi ayak na makhoida lease pitho kanda makhoi je khoi khoi karbang chak thabe thabak se chathana kana honar leiri hauji gi khoi covid-19 ga mari leina na corona virus na am wa da leibrak sida khoi ngak sigi break le manung sida khoi na haiba thabak si kan to huna baina khoi social distance khoi pharmacy ngak loina thamakanda hauji thabak se khoi na kana pakhar pai thabak chathari haiba government live scheme sing khoi phajana niyom chumna phajan chathara badi khoi praja ing sing bi thona waroi.
Residents of Moirang Kunau expressed happiness over the new project.
Awaba taraba leitaba lairaba aikhoi mayam jigi lau sing la jedraba suam japang khangdraba aikhoi jigi mahana lau pari mari manga che direct pitho eraga se sida mayam jigi haji kabang thabagi ji masida oiro adu na khoi na ba jiba kar si oiro haina mayam ji da mana lanthore.
Ukhrul Autonomous District Council ADC Executive Member Itmun Azum Chipang distributed essential items like potato, salt and edible oil to the people of Ukhrul town today. The distribution of essential food items was done with strict adherence to the safety measures laid down by the government. The EM said that in order to contain COVID-19 and panic buying, such distribution is done during the ongoing nationwide lockdown. Over 1,000 households of Ukhrul town were provided with the relief items. A civic action program was held at Old Age Home, Mongsangay by 109 CRPF Battalion under the supervision of Inspector General of Police, Manipur and Nagaland sector. During the program, safety items like face masks, hand sanitizers and 9,000 liters of drinking water and cooking meals were provided to the inmates of the home. Medical officer of battalion Dr. T.H. Bidalakshmi urged the inmate to wear face masks and to maintain personal hygiene. Commandant of 109 Battalion of AOL, Narayan Balai, also appealed to the inmates to follow the rules of the lockdown. 10th Sector Assam Rifle, Somsai Battalion and Headquarter IGR South today distributed edible items to families of martyred personnel as aid during the ongoing total lockdown due to COVID-19 pandemic. Report said Assam Rifles will continue to help such families in days to come. Central Reserve Police Force CRPF under Ministry of Home Affairs distributed essential commodities to the poor and needy people of remote hill areas of Manipur. The 86th Battalion CRPF under the initiative of its commandant Kalyan Singh distributed essential commodities such as rice, pulses, vegetable washing powder, soap, hand gloves, hand sanitizer, face masks to the poor and needy people of 4 villages in Nonit district of Manipur. 4 different companies of the battalion distributed the items at Longmai Part 4, Peaceland, Nungtek, Tupul and Sinam village while maintaining social distancing and other rules. All Manipur BDF Welfare Association has urged the Manipur government and BDF payroll department to clear their pending salaries by 20th of this month. The association, through a press release, also urged the government to implement its assurance to hike BDF salary. 18 computerized eye testing and eye care center distributed sunglasses and masks to police and traffic personnel posted at Imphal Thobal Bazaar today. The eye care center has been distributing such items to cops who have been working in the front line fighting COVID-19 pandemic. Pawai B Enterprises Langtabal, SBR Enterprises Kurai, Rajan Students Union, Bungpa Kulen Students Union and Kamjong Students Union, under the supervision of coordinating body, Kurai distributed vegetables and grocery items to the residents at Kamjong District Headquarters today. A team of organic outlet at Sanjetong, Imphal, under the aegis of Mission Organic, visited Langdang village in Ukrul district to meet the local farmers there who have been hit hard after they are unable to sell their organic produce due to the COVID-19 lockdown. During the visit, the team provided essential items like rice, pulses, garlic and onion to Lamdang villagers in exchange of the local farmers' organic produces. Former MLA M. Prithviraj, under the initiative of Moirang Block Congress Committee, distributed relief materials to all households in Moirang Municipal Council, Ward Number 5. The committee said that the distribution will cover all parts of the district. It also distributed ration to the media person of Bishnupur district. Prithviraj appealed to all to forget political differences during such critical times. He also urged the people to follow lockdown rules. Representative of Social Welfare Sporting Club SWSC, Kakching Mayai Laikai, today donated essential commodities to students of Mission Blind School, Haikak Pokpi. The local club also appealed to the public to extend help to students at such schools. Women's Society 7-Day Adventist Church, Taubul, under Bishnupur district, provided essential commodities to the poor and needy residents of Taubul, Kabuikul today. Ayangbam Oken, a social worker from Sekmai constituency, today distributed essential commodities to around 10,000 households of the constituency. He appealed to the authorities to distribute essential commodities provided by the government to the public in a fair manner.
Manipur government na COVID-19 sigi hoigi curfew tawringai marak sida lairaba praja singi pithiriba ching boiro adagi karga laiba khudingmak praja lairaba section khudingmakta yauhanna baya appeal tawjari aduga loinana ekhoina lockdown na si mapung phana social distance ngakna ekhoi masi malemda hengnadaba yadaba war makhna sida khoi kunna ngamba hak tawhanadana khoi sabyamina si haina ay appeal tawjari.
Once again, it's time for a short break. Keep watching Times of Manipur News. Welcome back after the break. In view of the 5 Assam district identified as coronavirus hotspot by the Union Health Ministry, Governor Professor Jagdish Mukhi appealed to the leaders and mentors of different socio-religious, cultural and sports organizations to impress upon their followers and members to strictly adhere to the extended lockdown period of novel coronavirus pandemic. Professor Mukhi said the lengthening of the mandatory stay-at-home period to 40 days has been necessitated to contain and control spread of coronavirus in the country. It may be noted that the Union Health Ministry on Wednesday listed 5 Assam districts as coronavirus hotspot, though all of them have been identified as cluster hotspots. The swab sample of the lone COVID-19 positive man in Arunachal Pradesh has been found to be negative twice after the third and fourth test, taking the number of positive cases in the state to 0. The man, who is not an Arunachali but resided in the Meadow area of Lohit district, has tested positive for COVID-19 on April 1st and 7 last after conducting 2 tests, making him the first person from the state infected with the virus. The man had a history of attending a religious congregation in Delhi's Nizamuddin. Calling convalescent plasma therapy for COVID-19 patient a small ray of hope, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal yesterday said it will be started on trial basis in hospital in the capital as per a media report. Max Hospital had earlier put 2 coronavirus patients on the therapy, while one of them, a 70-year-old from Defence Colony, succumbed to the disease on Wednesday. His 49-year-old son is receiving the treatment at the hospital Saket branch, with doctors saying he is responding well. This treatment has shown some positive results in some countries that are experimenting with it. The only way to eliminate coronavirus disease is to develop a vaccine. Vaccines have been very effective in preventing and eliminating several other diseases caused by the viruses in the past. The Guwahati High Court has decided to resume its functioning in a limited manner from April 20 in view of the extension of the nationwide lockdown till May 3rd. The court will take up urgent matters from April 20 only via video conferencing, keeping in mind the social distancing norm, and all district courts working under the jurisdiction of the Guwahati High Court are hereby directed to make necessary arrangement of video conferencing facility in a similar manner and take up urgent matters. Join TOMTV news program, Your Voice Adomgi Konjil. Please express your grievances and issues through our channel. Send audio or video to our WhatsApp number 94024914494 or 8415875 or 841395665 96129287757 or 81190800500 along with a copy of your Aadhaar card. Please mention your name and address properly. Be a citizen journalist to bring a change in the state. Get ready, be the first citizen journalist.
इकाई खमनोदा मतिक जारबा ऑनरेबल सारगी मफमदा सोशल मीडिया की खुथांगदा करिगुंबा खरा हंगचरी मदुदी अखोय बेंगलोर मफम असिदा थबक सुजरगा लेजबनी अदोबो लॉकडाउन मरम ओरगा अखोय अवाबा नंगले जाना थकनबसु लेजलक्त्रे मसिना मरम ओरगा सारगी मफमदा अखोयना हाइजरिबदी मफम असिदा अवाबा नंगलेबसि मतेंग पांगबियो.
Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. After lockdown, COVID-19 case doubling rate dipped from 3 to 6.2, says government. MSU pays homage to murdered students on 14th Realization Day 2020. JCCWB starts feeding street animals amid lockdown. And stranded Manipuris face hardship in different parts of the country. That's all we have in this bulletin. Keep watching Times of Manipur News.